see if we can get it. Okay. Oh, I got that bass though. Down for it. Oh, he got off. Whew. Yeah, you do lose a lot of them on top waters. Oh, he came back. Gotcha. Come on in, baby. Nice follow-up hit on that pencil walker. I saw the seagulls come down and splash, and then a fish splash, and I was like, oh baby, I got this pencil walker ready. I better cast it in there. I'm gonna get my other line twisted though, because I got one that we were trolling out there. Woo! Wow, he swallowed the whole pencil walker. Okay, I hope we got it on the GoPro. Seagull came down, splashed, and I saw some fish splashing and a bunch of bait fish splashing, so I cast out that pencil walker I just tied up a little while ago. Cast a perfect cast, wind dropped there just past the fish. A couple little pops, he bites it. I hook him, he jumps, gets off. A couple more little pops, he bites it and misses. A couple more little pops, let it pause, another little pop. Seagull starts coming like it's gonna bite my lure, then the fish jumps, hook him, reel him, and we got him here. And he engulfed the whole pencil walker entirely.